in the lecture notes for section 3 of chapter 20. And in section 3, we'll look at tornadoes and severe thunderstorms. Tornadoes occur when severe thunderstorms are present. There's a rotating updraft caused by winds blowing at differing speeds, and you look for the shear winds. In this graphic, you can see that in this area here and possibly this area, you can see that this is probably going to rotate. And what meteorologists look for is the hook. Tornado, violently rotating column of air that usually touches the ground. They're measured on a Fujita scale, and the intensity scale can be found on page 448 of your textbooks. Intensity goes from 0 to 5. Tornadoes appear on radar as a hook shape, as I said, area of precipitation. And in this graphic, you can see it right here, possibly forming up in this area. Doppler radar can tell direction of the cloud movement and can predict about 20 minutes in advance. And this technology has gotten even better. We're now able to predict like in the range of 30 minutes. And with the recent tornado activity in Missouri and Illinois, they were able to predict it and nobody was killed. Storms. Storms are tornado watches and warnings. A thunderstorm watch means to, exactly as it says, watch for a storm. Thunderstorm warning means that they've spotted one and it is approaching. Lightning. Lightning is the difference in charge between a cloud and the earth, the discharge of electricity from a thundercloud to ground or another cloud. Thunder is caused by rapid heating of air around lightning. So you have to have lightning in order to cause thunder. Thunderstorms are storms with lightning, thunder, rain, and sometimes hail. They form cumulonimbus clouds from warm, moist, and stable air. They often occur in the afternoon because the air has become unstable. And again, I refer you to page 445, where you can look at this graphic. And just to go through this graphic, cumulus stage, air rises, and a cumulus cloud forms. So those are the big puffy clouds. And in the summer especially, you see that they start building and can become quite tall and quite massive. Rising air in a thunderstorm is called an updraft. The updraft prevents precipitation from reaching the ground. As they mature, the precipitation becomes heavy enough to fall through the updraft and reach the ground. The falling precipitation creates a downdraft. Okay, and this is kind of what sets up the conditions for a tornado when you have those opposing wind columns. In what we call the dissipating stage, the downdraft weakens the updraft, eventually cutting off the supply of moist air rising to the cloud, and the cloud will begin to dissipate or evaporate. That concludes the lecture notes for section 3.